Article 14. Aggravating circumstances. Paragraph 1. That the advantage be taken by the offender of his public position. Paragraph 2. That the crime be committed in a contempt or with his insult to public authorities. Paragraph 3. That the act be committed with insult or disregard of the respect due to the offended party or account of his rank, age or sex, or that is be committed in the dwelling of the offended party, if the latter has not given provocation. Paragraph 4. That the act be committed with abuse or confidence or obvious ungratefulness. Paragraph 5. That the crime be committed in the palace of the chief executive or in his presence, or where the public authorities are engaged in discharge of their duties, or in the palace dedicated for religious worship. Paragraph 6. That the crime be committed in the night time or in the uninhabited place or by a band, whichever such circumstances may facilitate in the commission of the offense. Whenever more than 3 armed men malefactors shall have acted together in the commission of an offense, it shall be deemed to have committed by a band. Paragraph 7. That a crime be committed on the occasion of a conflagration, shipwreck, earthquake, epidemic, or other calamity or misfortune. That a crime be committed. Paragraph 8. That a crime be committed with the aid of armed men or person who insured or afford impunity. Paragraph 9. That the accused is recidivist. A recidivist is one who, at the time of his trial for one crime, shall have been previously convicted by final judgment or another crime embraced in the same title of this code. Paragraph number 10. That the offender has been previously punished by an offense to which the law attaches an equal or greater penalty for 2 or more crimes to which it attaches a lighter penalty. Paragraph number 11. That a crime be committed in consideration of a prize or reward or promise. Paragraph number 12. That a crime be committed by means of inundation, fire, poison, explosion, stranding of a vessel, or international damage thereto, derailment of the locomotive, or by the use of any other artifice involving great waste of and ruin. Paragraph number 13. That the act be committed with evidence premeditations. Paragraph number 14. That the craft, fraud, or disguise be employed. Paragraph number 15. That advantage be taken of superior strength or means be employed to weaken the defense. Paragraph 16. That the act be committed with trickery or alevosía. There is trickery when the offender commits any of the crime against the person employing means, method, or forms of execution thereof which tend directly and especially to ensure its execution, without risk to himself arising from the defense which the offended party might make. Paragraph number 17. That means be employed or circumstances brought about which add ignominy to the neutral effects of the act. Paragraph number 18. That a crime be committed after an unlawfully entry. There is an unlawful entry when an entrance of a crime, a wall, roof, floor, door, or window be broken. Paragraph 20. That a crime be committed with the aid of person under 15 years of age or by means of motor vehicle, motorized warcraft, airship, or other similar means. Paragraph number 21. That the wrong done in the commission of the crime be deliberately augmented by causing other wrong not necessary for its commission.